am here to tell you that this rest has changed my entire outlook on the entire world. Like, the way I see the world is no longer the same. Traveling, resting. I am a different person. When I'm saying I'm a different person, I feel like I am not the person y'all have seen me be. Because y'all have seen me be how I was molded into whoever wanted what to do for the day. You know what I mean? I'm molded into a different me, a closer, a million times closer to what the Most High wanted me to be. Because I feel alive. Like, you feel His presence. When you feel the presence, that aroma, like the aromas, the sounds, the decorations, they're just on a different level. You just feel like there's somebody you're seeing. You feel seen. I felt seen. You have to hear me. Seen by a masculine figure. I felt like he knew me more than anybody. I didn't have to open up. When I say I didn't have to open up, all I did was release. Because he already knew it was there. That I didn't have to, like, tell him why. You know what I mean? Like, when I say open up, like, communicate. I couldn't. I just released. I just purged, cried, screamed, whatever. You know what I mean? Just let go. You let go. Once you let go, baby, there is no limit.